Hello everyone. This video features a rib stitch with nice volume, relief, and texture. The pattern consists of 3 stitches and 4 rows. I'm using a technique I demonstrated a few days ago in another knitting project. The difference is that these decorative groups of stitches are arranged in a checkerboard pattern. Here is the link to the video. To begin, cast on a multiple of 3 stitches, then add 2 additional stitches for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. Start by knitting 2 initial rows. On the first initial row, we are on the wrong side. The repeating pattern for this row is knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. The second initial row is on the right side. The repeat pattern is purl 2 and knit 1. Purl 2, knit 1. The first row is on the wrong side. The repeating pattern for this row is knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. End the row by knitting 2 symmetry loops. The second row is on the right side. After slipping the edge loop, purl 2, pull up a long loop 3 rows down, knit 1, and pull up a long loop 3 rows down. Again, purl 2, pull up a long loop 3 rows down, knit 1, and pull up a long loop 3 rows down. End the row with purl 2 symmetry loops. The third row is on the wrong side. After slipping the edge loop, knit 2, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1. Again, knit 2, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1. End the row by knitting 2 symmetry loops. The fourth row is on the right side. After slipping the edge loop, purl 2, then make a central decrease from the next 3 loops. Slip the first 2 as if to knit, knit the third. Push it through the first and second. Again, purl 2, slip the first 2 as if to knit, knit the third. Push it through the first and second. End the row with purl 2 symmetry loops. The knitting patterns for the 2 initial and 4 main rows I demonstrated are shown on this screen. You may get them by stopping the video and hitting the print screen button. Repeat these 4 rows until you reach the desired length. This will create a unique knit fabric with a distinct texture suitable for any season or yarn. Because of its good elasticity, if you use this knitting pattern for the main knit of a garment, you can start directly with it. The amount of purl loops that separate the volume columns can be changed based on the application. Made with wool yarn in this swatch, the knitting pattern is shown in a winter version. It will also look good knitted with thinner cotton yarn on light summer blouses. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.